Hello, this is MSK Entertainment Films and you're watching IELTS Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to talk about how to choose the right heading for the passage. And as we all know that 80% of the students make major mistakes in reading passage and choosing the right heading. But before starting this video, I want you to subscribe to MSK Entertainment Films and press the bell icon. So let's start and see what are those tips and tricks. Well, the first point is do not read the whole paragraph word by word, because if you start reading the paragraph word by word, you will not have enough time to transfer or complete the whole passage or complete the whole question. So always avoid word by word reading. Second important thing is that most of the students read the whole passage, so you don't have to read the whole passage. Just read the first 2 lines and the last 2 lines to get a general idea, and you can just skim to the middle to find the connection between the first line and the last line of the passage. After that, you have to see that what overall meaning it is given. Like once you read the passage, the first 2 lines and the last 2 lines, you will know what this passage is related to. Okay, so the next thing is, after reading that, you go back to the headings and see what or which heading should be selected. Like you have to continue this process for the whole headings. For each paragraph you will do the same process, first 2 lines and last 2 lines, and then in the middle you just have to skim it, and then you move back to the headings and see which heading is suitable for that paragraph. You will have to do it for the whole passage. And remember to read each and every point or word of the heading. Most of the students miss this heading and they just look for the keywords in the heading. You have to read each and every word of the heading very carefully. After that, once you read the heading, you will try to you have to ask a question from yourself, that what is this heading related to? What is the true meaning of this heading? And then you will have to move to the passage and see which passage is it. Like first you look 2 to 3 lines of the first passage and then come back to the heading, read the headings word by word and see what that heading actually mean, and you will automatically know which heading to choose. And after that you have to move quickly to the next passage and repeat the process. Now, like as I said, read the beginning and the end very careful. It will help you a lot and you will know what it means. Skim to the middle, find the connection and go to the heading, and then eliminate. Let's suppose you read the passage and then you move towards the heading, you read the first heading, it doesn't go with the passage, you cross it, put a little cross on it. Then you move to the next heading, read it. If it doesn't fit there, put a little bit cross over there, like a minute cross in the beginning or in the end, just to know that this heading don't fit in that passage. And let's suppose C is the heading and it matched the passage, You have to make the decision there. Make the decision and choose that. Let's suppose if you want to change the heading by the end of the passage, by reading completely the whole passage, and you selected all of the headings, and then suddenly it rose arise to your mind that this heading is wrong. So you don't have to be panic. It is like common in every student, like it is common for everyone. So no need to be panic. After you complete the whole passage, you just have to follow the previous steps which I said, which I recall just in the previous few minutes ago, a minute ago. Just go through that and you will have to follow it step by step, and you will automatically know, and you will be easily able to detect the exact match. Like you will automatically know the exact heading, that what heading is which one. The important thing in heading is that you have to understand, try to understand it, try to read the heading again and again to know what does it mean, what is the exact meaning, or what it is actually related to. Like now I am going to give you an example of heading. Let's suppose there is a heading, a real experiment, and as the passage was too long, so I just picked a few lines off from it. It is that Dr. Alex recognized this particular there is written particularly, but let's say this particular scientific experiment appropriate as it boosts the efficiency of car. So as you can see that the heading is related to experiment, and same the paragraph is also telling us something related to experiment. So we will choose that one heading for this paragraph. Next, I want you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos and tips and tricks. And I hope you enjoy the video. Well, the YouTube name is and the channel name is MSK Entertainment Films. I hope you will subscribe this channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.